guys, welcome back. Previously we showed you the install both on and off the dyno along with sound clips of the Remus OPF back system, which you can see is now installed on our G80 M3. Head back over to our channel to take another look at that. Sounds awesome, that system. In this video we'll be installing the Eibach Prokit, which is available in two variants. There is a 2-spring kit which lowers 20mm on the front only and uses the OEM rear springs. Some people quite like the standard rear ride height. There's also a 4-spring version available as well, which offers 20mm front lowering and 10mm rear. The Eibach Prokit not only makes your car's appearance much nicer, but handling and performance is improved significantly with a much more composed car. We will also be installing some 12 and 15mm spacers with extended bolts to make the wheels sit out further in the wheel arch, giving a much more aggressive stance. We will also be aligning the car and developing a fast road setup as we have done previously with all our other development cars, with superb feedback previously on front wheel drive and rear wheel drive variants, and we'll let you know how that goes.